Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about TypeScript and how I can work with it and how I can create a very basic application with TypeScript. TypeScript is created back in the 2012 by Microsoft, and why they want to create this is because JavaScript as default is strong type. And what we can do with the TypeScript is making everything strong type. So when you compile the code, it will compile based on your types and then create it to a plain JavaScript. Of course, if you have any compile errors after, as the compiler doesn't know, the JavaScript will work as it always will work, but it will save you a lot of time, and a lot of the bugs you normally will do in JavaScript will disappear automatically. So it's very nice. And the benefits is they're working on any browser, on any host, and any operation system. And then it's a completely open source, so that's a very nice thing. So let's first to create a first application here with the TypeScript. First we say npm init, and then we create everything down here. And then we have the node project, and then we want to say npm install and save in the development and in TypeScript, and then it should download completely here, and that's perfect. And now we have a little bit node modules here, and the package, let's say we use TypeScript 3.7.5, sorry. And now we want to create a new TypeScript file. Let's say we want to call it app, and it should not be in the node modules. So we go inside here, and then we can say a function, and we can say let var data is equal to strings equal to hello world. And if you want to compile this, I need the hello world up here. And if you want to compile this, we need to make a TSC and then in the application. So what we can do here, I think if we do TSC app.ts, it doesn't work because we don't have installed globally. But if we're going for the packet and replace this one and say TSC and say TSC app.ts, I think it will work. So npm run TSC. So let's see what's happening. And it's basically compiling. And you can see here now we have the app.js and we have the app.js. And inside here it's compiling two normally JavaScript, sorry. And that's perfect. If you want to if you don't want to use the packet.json way, you can basically just install it on the globally level. npm install g and then TypeScript. I don't want TypeScript globally on my system, so I don't want this right now, but you can do that if you want. And that's it. So I really hope you enjoyed your very first application with the TypeScript as we have here, and I hope you want to follow me and watch even more TypeScript videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can download from this code from my GitHub profile, and I hope you want to subscribe to this channel in the right corner below and press on the ding, of course. If you have any questions, please make a comment, and of course I hope you want to like and put it to a playlist and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time.